Let me show you 5 easy ways to use Copilot in Word. Number 1, create a first draft. Copilot can help you get started. Just prompt what you're looking to create. For example, create a client proposal for a backyard movie night event. Include an overview, services provided, setup details, pricing options, and next steps. Keep the tone professional and clear. Number 2, editing. Next, you can edit your document. Say you want to change the tone. You can ask Copilot, rewrite the first paragraph to sound warmer and more client-friendly. And it makes the edits right away. Number 3, proofreading. Just try a prompt like, proofread this document and make updates to spelling, grammar, and clarity. Copilot checks everything and makes tweaks where needed. Number 4, text to table. Next, you can reformat text into a table that's easier to follow. Ask Copilot something like, turn the timeline section into a table so it's easier to read. Copilot inserts a new table directly into your document. Number 5, formatting. Now it's time for finishing touches. Copilot can help clean up the formatting so your document looks super polished. Just prompt, review this document for a final polish, and Copilot makes final adjustments so everything is clean and ready to share. From blank page to polished Word document in no time. Follow for more helpful ways to use Copilot.